Are they? No lift or duration to them?
They're just real narrow.
Oh.
Dribble on the floor there though. Afraid of breaking my tools over there.
I'm breaking your tools. You must have figured out you didn't have a screw. You were screwing it.
You can see the wear mark right there, but
They both have that?
you can see how it's going in the metal because see the flat spot in the light.
Yeah.
See the reflection?
Yep.
It might be ground that way though, because it's on Harley. See, look at another one, see if it's the same way. This one doesn't have that flat spot, see it's even. So that means that's got a flat spot one in that one already. That one looks good. That's another one's got heavy wear on it, that's the leading edge.
That's where it's coming up on it?
Yeah.
So maximum spring tension on there?
Yeah, that's the opening side of the deal. Either way, their Harley cams are crap because they flake.
I put some S&S cams in it or what?
Anything besides Harley, because Harley's, the material they use is crap.
Okay.
They're case hard and they flake off right here in the bearing area. Look how bad the bearing area looks.
Yeah, that's it.
They flake in there and it takes out the bearings.
Right. Well, it takes out the whole plate. Then you got to replace it. I think they can get the same thing on this end of it, aren't you?
What?
The cams, aren't they going to be worn here?
I don't see anything that's really worn yet. Except for the actual cam lobes themselves.
Yeah.
I don't see why the motor locked up because I don't see any damage to anything.
It didn't completely lock though. It lost power. It went and then I gave it gas and pinged a
The
little
piston
bit.
skirts are fine. They're coated and the coating's still there and there's no scratches in them. The rods are still moving. So me, I just put the damn thing back together and see what happens because right now what I see even looks
What did I
fine.
just say a few minutes ago? Put it back
Same thing.
together.
I got
run it till
gaskets
it-
at home. I gotta get new cams though.
So yeah, the cams I replaced definitely, and the lifters, just because we don't know what happened to the oil pressure wise.
Right.
But you know, Harley's a splash lubricated motor. As long as you got oil in there, it just like a two-stroke. It's happy. It doesn't have to have pressure. It's not like a car motor. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
But the key thing is this is Harley loaded and it's not worn. The piston skirts are Harley loaded. They're not worn. Rock arms we can't see, and they're not that important anyway. The cam lobes and lifters are the next thing. And we can see how they're already wearing, but I think they've been wearing all along. It's just crappy materials. In the case inside of here, they look good here. So there's no wear inside of here. So I don't see anything that has any wear on it. Even the oil pump itself looks good. So I don't see anything wrong with the oil pump. So I think we just clean it all up and put it back together.
All right.
All right.
What about the rock arm bushing? Is it all right too?
We got to clean all this up. Can't tell what full of oil.
Oh, okay.
So
All right.
we'll get the stuff cleaned up. We'll be back.
I'm shutting it down right now.
Yep.